Testicular tumors, the malignant tumors of the testes, very important, hormone dependent. Incidence: testicular tumor occurs 1 to 1.5% of male neoplasms. Majority have germ cell tumors. Peak incidence is in the fourth decade, that is seminoma, and peak incidence is in third decade is non-seminoma. Risk factors: history of mal-descended testes, history of contralateral testicular tumor, and Klinefelter syndrome. Classification: testicular tumors are classified into germ cell tumors. In 90 to 95% of these include seminoma, embryonal cell carcinoma, teratoma, and choriocarcinoma. The interstitial cell tumors are 1 to 2%, example Leydig cell tumors, then lymphomas or other tumors. So the most important of the tumor or the most common of the tumors are the germ cell tumors. Seminoma. A seminoma typically has a cut surface, homogeneous pinkish cream in color. It appears to compress neighboring structures, testicular tissues. It consists of oval cell with clear cytoplasms and large rounded nucleus. Seminoma metastasize mainly via lymphatics, which drain to para-aortic lymph nodes. Non-seminomatous germ cell tumors. These tumors are tiny but can reach the size of a coconut. Embryonal carcinoma, it is highly malignant tumor. Yolk sac tumor, this tumor secrete alpha-fetoprotein. Choriocarcinoma, this tumor produce HCG, highly malignant and metastasize early. And teratoma has more than one cell types with components from ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. They may change from mature, well differentiated to immature and undifferentiated. All can metastasize. Clinical features: patient present with painless testicular swelling. A sensation of heaviness of testes is 2 or times more normal size. Trauma may occur. There may be pain. Patient presents like epididymoarchitis with acute pain and enlargement of the testes. Metastasis to the lung is common, causing chest pain, dyspnea, and hemoptysis. On examination, this is intratesticular solid mass, hydrocele, and nodular epididymis. Gynecomastia may occur. Investigations: alpha-fetoprotein increased in 70% of the cases. Normally alpha-fetoprotein is not present. HCG, human chorionic gonadotrophins, increased in 60% of the cases. Complete blood count, hemoglobin is decreased, total leukocyte count is increased, and differential leukocyte count, lymphocytes are increased, ESR is high. X-ray chest, PA view, show cannonball metastasis in the chest. Ultrasound KUB, both testes are examined, show mass. CT scan done of chest and of the abdomen, show cannonball and other secondaries. Staging of the tumor. Stage 1, the tumor is confined to the testes. Stage 2, the tumor is nodal, but confined to nodes below the diaphragm. Stage 3, nodal but above the diaphragm. Stage 4, non-lymphatic metastatic disease. Metastasis to the lungs is common. Treatment is scrotal exploration and orchidectomy. Platinum-based chemotherapy is excellent with excellent results. Prognosis: seminoma without metastasis, 90 to 95% 5-year survival rate. That is, if it is removed in time, then the patient may survive for 5 years in 90 to 95% of the cases. Testicular tumor reference is Short Practice of Surgery by Bill in Love, 26th edition. Thank you.